The Office of the Registrar General and Census Commissioner India, in collaboration with the United Nations Population Fund, commemorated the World Population Day today in Vigyan Bhavan. The theme of the event, Investing in Young People in India, saw Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh being satisfied with the initiative to start Youth Info Portal in the country. Home Minister, who graced the occasion along with MOS State Kiren Rijiju and Union Home Secretary Anil Goswami, released a publication entitled A Profile of Adolescent and Youth in India, brought out by Office of the Registrar General India and UNPFA.
The Census Organization and UNFPA have very aptly chosen this occasion to release a profile of adolescent and youth in India, the Youth Info Portal, and the advanced version of Census Info India. This is keeping in tune with the theme, Investing in Young People in India.
The occasion was also used to launch Youth Info Portal. Panel discussion on the topics of size, growth and composition of adolescent and youth population, trends in literacy among adolescents and youth, work participation among adolescents and youth was also organized. Speaking during the event about the young blood of the country, MOS State Kiren Rijiju said,
"The youth population is the greatest source of any country. It's the greatest strength of our country too."
Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh thanked the United Nations for starting such an initiative in India.
मैं संयुक्त राष्ट्र की सभी एजेंसियों द्वारा प्रदान किए गए सहयोग के लिए उनकी सराहना करता हूं। मुझे यह जानकर अत्यधिक प्रसन्नता हो रही है कि UNFPA ने आज यूथ इन्फो नामक पोर्टल का शुभारंभ किया है, जिसमें जनगणना और अन्य स्रोतों से विभिन्न आंकड़े उपलब्ध करवाए गए हैं। आज इस कार्यक्रम का उद्घाटन करते हुए मुझे प्रसन्नता हो रही है और आशा करता हूं कि इस अवसर पर किए जाने वाले पैनल डिस्कशन सार्थक और उपयोगी सिद्ध होंगे।
Powered by NNIS.